Hey guys, it's Allie and I'm back for another edition of Nail Tech 101. So the last video I did, we did the mission control, kind of showed you a little bit about that. So what I want to do today is I still have that tip where I showed you the mission control as a base for your nail art. So what I want to do today is I'm going to show you how to use the pink, the black, just going to do something fun. We are going to use our Young Nails detailer brush, and I'm also just going to use another brush. This one is, I can't even read that, so just another little nail art brush. So stay tuned, that's right now on Nail Tech 101. Okay, so today I just kind of want to do something simple. Like I said, we're just going to use this. We're going to use our mission control. I call it black, they call it overdrive, but it's black. We're going to use our detailer brush, and we're just going to use another little generic nail art brush. So going to do something simple. I kind of saw something on Instagram, on the Young Nails Instagram page. Kind of wanted to try it. They used red. I'm going to use their mission control pink. So we're going to do that right now. Okay, so now I've got my tip with my mission control pink as my base. I'm going to take my mission control black, and today I'm just going to use Starbucks card. Don't have a tile at home. So normally what I do is just dip. I already have some on here. Just kind of put it there. That way you can get your brush really coated so that you can do those fine lines. Gonna get some on there. Obviously I didn't pick up enough there, so I'm just going to twist my brush in there. Right. Perfect. So as you can see, we're kind of starting a little heart. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that other detailer brush I was talking about. I'm actually going to scoop it out this time since I can use a little bit more. I'm going to go in, I'm just going to cover that pink. Get a little bit more on there. See, so it's obviously, you can tell it's thicker than a gel polish because it's covering that pink right away. It goes on really nicely. Don't have to use too much, just enough to cover it. And it's already drying, but it's good just to put it in your LED light or UV light. I think, you know, the LED light, it'll freeze in about 15 seconds. UV, I'd probably keep it in there maybe about a minute, just to be safe. All right, so now you got a cute little heart. I'm going to just take my detailer brush again, go over any little things. All right, put that in the light, freeze it for 15 seconds. So while that's curing, you can take acetone, anything you want. Just get that off of your tile or card, whatever you're using. I guess if you have an old credit card, you can use that too. Then I just put the lid back on. I don't do it too tight. Want to make sure that it doesn't expand and overflow, but that's that. Okay. So that is right. See how shiny that is? And the good thing about the Mission Control 2, I actually found this out. I was really curious. There was something I was trying to do. Oh, maybe I'll do a tutorial on that one. So I wanted to do a matte nail, but I wanted some shiny nail art on top. And I actually emailed the company, I emailed Young Nails, and the cool thing about the Mission Control is you actually don't have to top coat this. Pretty awesome. I like to, just so that it can, you know, be a little bit extra shiny. But if you want that matte look with this, you know, say you're doing a matte black, you want some matte shiny over, I mean not matte, that made no sense, no matte shiny. If you want some shiny black over the matte, you can go ahead and use the Mission Control and just leave it and it'll be fine. All right, so now I'm just gonna take my top coat, start at the back, work my way towards the tip. And I said this in one of my previous videos, I always find it super important to cap the free edge. That'll stop that gel polish from chipping from the free edge. All right, so I'm going to cure this in my LED light for 30 seconds, UV, maybe about 2 minutes. All right, so I'm gonna take my Young Nails swipe, put a little bit on my cotton, take off that tacky layer. You've got a cute little Valentine's Day nail, or you could use this any time of the year. I think this is kind of fun. Use it with a red base, yellow base, any kind of base. Cute little hearts. All right. So that was Nail Tech 101 today. Comment if you have any questions. Don't forget to subscribe, and I can't wait to show you what I come up with next. Thanks for watching.